How to format an assignment. First, format your margins to make sure that they are 1 inch on all sides. To do that, you go up to Format, down to Document, and you want to make sure that each of these says 1. My top and my bottom margins are already set at 1, but I'm going to change my left and my right margins by highlighting and entering 1. Press OK. And now you're going to make sure that your font size is 12 point times New Roman. To do this, we go back up to Format, this time to Font. Times New Roman 12 point is set as my default, but if it were not, I would scroll through here to find Times New Roman, and to change my font, over on this side, scroll up and down to choose the font that I want. This font style is not important, so don't worry about it. Press OK. You also want to make sure that your work is double spaced. To do this, we go to Format, Paragraph. Down here in the middle at line spacing, often it is set at single or 1. I'm going to click and change it to double. On your computer, it might say 2. Press OK. Next, you're going to align your work to the right, which means you click this button right here. This allows everything you write to come at the right-hand side of your page, so you don't have to hit the space bar or tab multiple times to write your name on the right-hand side. First, you're going to write your first and last name. Hit Enter or Return to enter down to the next line. The date. Enter or return again. And the period during which your class meets. Enter or return one more time. Now we're going to center your text by clicking this button here. This is where you will put your title. Enter again, and now we align to the left, which is where you will begin typing your essay or homework or whatever it is. First, you hit Tab on your keyboard, which allows you to indent, and then you begin to type your work. At the end of each paragraph, hit Enter or Return only once to bring you down to a new paragraph. You're going to want to make sure you indent again by hitting Tab, but only hit Enter or Return one time. If you add too many spaces, your essay starts to look weird. This is important to remember because if you do not have your work in Final Draft format, you will lose 10% of your overall score.